My people, wonder shall never end. Things are happening. No be small things they happen for this life. The moment when Daddy Gio take on church, my people, not be small thing. I members they welcome Daddy Gio, my people. They come, they put their shirt, they put their clothes, oh, they come, they spray and put for ground, oh. May Daddy Gio pass, or may he match go, my people. Not be small thing. I don't know what they turn church into, my people. Things they happen. Now so Daddy Gio, they use the leg, they match the cloth, they pass one by one like foot match, my people. Not be small thing. I don't understand some of our Africa people, the way when they worship God, I not gonna understand though. Now so that they remove their apparel, they remove everything, oh, they remove their apparel, everything that they remove and they spray, they put for ground, though. Make Daddy Gio pass. Wonder shall never end, my people. Things are really happening this time around where we dey. I don't know what they happen, oh. Whether na end time now we come there, I not really understand. May not come be say I too talk, my people. Make una watch the video. The moment when Daddy Gio they enter church, oh, not be small thing. So all of them remove their cloth, spread for Daddy Gio. Make una regade.
Bazuca. Não pode pisar no chão. Não pode pisar no chão. Sai daí, tá falando muito. Não pode pisar no chão, não pode pisar no chão.
Trata de bazuca. Aquele bazuca resolvedor de problema. O nosso papá, o profeta das nações, o homem que nasceu para profetizar.
Não pode pisar no chão, por favor.